going on, guys? Antrod here, and welcome to the second video on my YouTube page. I have two! Yay! And on today's video, I will be doing a sound effect challenge. I went on to all the social media I have, the whopping two, in the arms of... and asked them, hey, what sound do you want me to do? So here I am, with a total of 10. I can't do effects. I should put a 1 and a 0. That's the best I can do. But besides my no effect self, I'm gonna try to make you laugh. You're feeling already. Shut up. And I'm not gonna say the names of these people, only because I don't want to get in trouble, because I didn't ask if I can use their name in this video, so please don't get mad at me. For the most part, I haven't practiced some of these sounds. Yeah, it should be embarrassing. I'm embarrassing myself for you guys. Be happy. The first one, my grandma driving. Can't remember who gave me this one, but to the person that did, I don't know who your grandma is. I'm just gonna do how my grandma drives. Throat refill power. Ah, liquid. So. That's how my grandma drives. Oh my god. The second one is a smoker. Dude, I hope this isn't by the same guy. A smoker? Wait, I'm sorry. I'm a smoker. The third one we has is a cat? A cat? No, you didn't actually say what you want me to do for a cat here. You want me to do an impersonation of a cat? Or we have the other one. Next one we have, I love this, to all of you nerds out there. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Chewbacca. Good show, Chewbacca. Next one is a bird. Oh, crud. A bird? Bird. Okay. Bird? That's better. Bird. It's a crow. It's a bird. This one I kind of already did, but you know what? I'll do it again. That was close. Okay, the next one is a crow. I'm gonna try to do this one. I can't make any promises though. Okay, so that's all the sounds I have. 10 sounds I have. If you thought this was funny, please like, share, subscribe. Go to my Instagram. Go to my Facebook. Follow me. So please feel free to do like my deep voice just said. Like, share, subscribe. Feel free to visit my Instagram and Facebook areas. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.